What's up, guys? How are we all doing? I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. It's called forexprofittrade.com. And most of you have ever wondered what is price action. If you are, if you wonder about what's price action, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to explain to you what is price action. And to explain it further, you must know that whenever you do technical analysis, on that time you look at a chart, and that chart can be made of three things. It will be a linear chart, it will be a bar chart, or it will be a candlestick chart. Candlestick chart are found by a Japanese rice trader, and because of him we today can do a technical analysis. Linear chart is not very informative because it just give you two things. It will tell you about the price and it will tell you about the time. Bar chart can give you opening and closing time and how high and how low it went. But when we create a candlestick chart, it gives a lot of visual information to us, and it form a lot of pattern, a different kind of pattern. And all of these patterns help us to trade better. So I want to give you a brief introduction about candlestick. It's called the body, okay? It is the opening price, okay? And it's the closing price, okay? It can be a red and green, because if the opening price is lower and closing price is higher, then the candle body will be green. Or if it is opening price will be higher and closing price is lower, then it will be red. This candlestick chart is, if suppose it's a 1 hour chart, then it represents the how high the price went under that point of time. So it represents the wick, and how low it went on that point of time is the represent also by the wick. Okay, so these are the wicks, this is the body. Candlestick patterns give us a lots of information when it comes to trading, and it forms a different kind of pattern. The famous one is a hammer, okay? It's also a pin bar, gravestone dozy, and shooting star, rising star, morning star. There are different kind of names that you have for candlestick. It can be inside bar, it can be outside bar, and we will talk about them in our upcoming videos, which will be of advanced price action system and how to trade. But I want to tell you one thing, that all of those successful traders who are making serious money with trading is always prefer price action trading over indicator based trading, because it tells you exactly what is going on in the market. It's tell you exactly and what you need to become a successful profitable trader is what market wants to tell you. And if you're able to know, if you're able to communicate with the market, if you learn the sign of the market, it's the sign that market shows that what he has in his mind. Is it going to change the direction? It is going to change the momentum? Is it going to be a sluggish move? Because every market, every pair, stock, commodity, whatever you trade, they are they move in a they are making two moves. First is impulsive move, and then there will be a corrective move, then again there's impulsive move, then again there's corrective move. And this price action system tell us exactly, it gives you a early indication of what market has in mind. Because if you dial it down, if you think more about prices and trading in all, it's always about supply and demand. Okay, how if supply increase, the price will go down. If demand increase, the price will go up. It's that simple. And these patterns, these candlestick patterns, this price action tell us exactly what market has in its mind with different kind of shapes and patterns that we're going to learn. And I'm not going to teach you about every pattern. I'm going to teach you about specific pattern, and those specific pattern can make a whole lot of money than all the other patterns can ever do. You have to also consider that just because this is a inside bar, or just because this is an outside bar, as those price action trader who call themselves a price action trader, and when they see an inside bar and outside bar, they jump into the trade and trade goes against them. It's not like just the pattern, it's more about the psychology of the market, of the people, because it's the psychology of how people are thinking will make you money, that will bring the price up or that will bring you price down. So just because it's an inside bar, just because it's a hammer, just because it's a shooting star, a rising star, or gravestone doji, it should not, you should not make your trade decision based on just of this price action. There are more to this price action. To become really profitable and successful trader, you must understand one thing, that when to take a trade based on the price action and when to let it go. Because if you make a consistent profit with the price action trading and you lose that money with another trading with that same price action pattern, with the market telling you the same exact thing, then you will never make a serious money about trading. Those people who are successful, they know when to trade and they know when to avoid the trade, maybe how awesome this setup look. But it's all about creating developing the trader's mindset. And in upcoming modules or in upcoming videos, I'm going to tell you a lot about this price action trading and how to think like a trader, when to take a trade and when to avoid it. Because if you make a $2,000 in a one trade and the next trade you lose that, in next four trade you lose that money with the same pattern, that does not make you profitable trader. Okay, so you should be smart when it comes to price action trading, and I'm going to teach you all of that, when to take a trade and when to avoid it. No one going to teach you that. Okay, so all you have to do is to stick with me in this channel, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you click the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I put a new video on the price action system. I will see you guys in the next video, and it's good talking to you. May you will be profitable in upcoming days, upcoming months and years. So see you on the next video. Until then, goodbye.